This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by making sure both the Jio set-top box and your casting device are on the same local network. This is critical. Power on the box, confirm the Jio home screen, and sign in if required. On your phone or laptop, enable Screencast or the Jio app's cast control. Once done, open the Jio app or the media you want to cast and look for the cast icon. Tapping it begins discovery and connects to the box. Once you tap the cast icon and select your set-top box, the app negotiates a stream with the box. This transfers video while keeping playback controls on your device. If you prefer full mirror, choose Screencast or Smart View on your phone and select the box name instead, which mirrors exactly what you see. Make sure background apps aren't interrupting network bandwidth, and use Wi-Fi 5 GHz when available for smoother video. You can pause, seek, and change quality from the device. To finish, stop casting within the app or use your device's disconnect control so the box returns to the home screen. If the box doesn't appear during discovery, restart the set-top box, your phone, and the router in that order. This often resolves IP lease or discovery issues. Make sure your network isn't set to guest mode and that any firewall features aren't isolating devices. This prevents local device discovery. If problems persist, update firmware or contact Jio support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.